Hi guys, so all those who are planning April 2023 attempt, it's high time to pace up with your course. I think you must be done with your syllabus by now. You should target to wind up your syllabus as soon as you can so that you can move to past papers and written practice of past papers basically in the same format as it is expected in society. So most of the students are in habit just to wind up the core reading and do not focus much on questions. So guys, core reading is just 30% of your content basically. अगर आपने core reading कर लिए, that does not mean that you are equipped with the course. You need to practice past papers in quite detail. Then only you can expect that you will be succeeding in exam. So चाहे आप numerical exam दे रहे हो, चाहे आप theory exam दे रहे हो, do complete your content plus past papers and try to wind up as fast as you can. So all the students who are taking coaching, whether going for full program or for videos program or crash course, just try to wind up your videos and do raise your doubts, because it's important कि आप सही time पे doubts raise करो so that we can handle those doubts and you can proceed towards your past papers and practice questions. And one more thing, X series is extremely important. Students are in habit of skipping X series, so do not do that. To practice your X series as well. Thank you.